Now you are in Apps panel. Click right navigation button to get to the app's overview. Use navigation buttons to look for an app that you're interested in. When you find it, click OK. After you click Install, the app will install automatically. Click Open to use it. Uninstalling apps. Choose Apps on the list shown on the left side of the screen and click OK on your remote control. Find the app you want to uninstall. Click OK for a while and the list will show up. Choose Done. Thank you for watching. If you want to get more information, visit us at tcl.com.